Got my red dress on tonight, dancing in the dark in the pale moonlight. Done my hair up real big, beauty queen style.